try to chase some ahi. There isn't much reports of them around. We're gonna give it a shot. Not the best moon either, or currents, but we gotta try. Maybe get a marlin or something. Let's see what we can do with this new camera. Got a good spread going. Let's see what we can do with this camera. Thumbs up, help us out, subscribe, it's free to do, you won't get spammed, and it'll help out our channel. It takes a lot of effort doing all this. Alright, tight lines, let's get one or two. Brand new lure. Double ONO.
Yeah, just stay head on the outside.
Yeah, baby. Turn right. Turn right. Here's what we got one of the ONOs on. It's my new 7-inch Kogan. Check out this thing. Beautiful jet insert, but now I gotta reskirt it. Wasn't even in the water for 5 hours. Destroyed. We had the other bite on the Tusomo Bullet Milky. And always run my KC Wahoo flash. I got so many ahi off that last year, it's unbelievable. And we took a good strike on this jet blue. Check out those teeth marks. The thing with this though is the actual head's this big. So if it takes a head strike, hookup rate's not good. It almost has to come in from the back on this one. But it looks good running, just like these KC flashes. This one will get marlin on. Alright, good day. We're heading into the harbor. Check out this view like always. Killer. Got some kayakers, little boats up ahead. West side was nice today. I heard North Shore was 12 foot. Heading in with fish, so it's a good day. Sunset in a few hours. We're gonna clean up, head home and relax. Like and subscribe, help us out. Alright, way more videos to come. It's still summertime. Alright, well. Alright, we're heading back in. We missed an ahi bite. I got teeth marks on the H1, but in the blind on the outside, we picked up 2 ONOs. And we did get an aku. So we'll do some poke and sashimi. So overall, good day. Got some blood on the boat and some fish in the box. Wahoo, we got ONO. And oh no, they destroyed my brand new lure. The skirt's destroyed.